Hello everyone. Since I recorded my last video, my portfolio has grown a lot. I also have some news to share. The developer of Polydict recently tweeted that a major update is coming soon, connected to a new feature that hasn't been revealed yet. Today, I want to show you how the AI feature works. It's made for manual trading and can bring around 60% daily profitability. I think the best way to demonstrate it is visually. So I'll show 5 Bitcoin up or down 5-minute trades. Let's get straight to it. As soon as we opened the page, a new AI-generated down signal appeared in the terminal window. This application generates its response based on more than 100 parameters, especially news, the chart itself, and various insider-related data points. For me, this will take about 5 minutes. For you, it will only take a few seconds, and then you'll see the first result. So the first result was successful. The terminal predicted the outcome of this chart perfectly. Now we move on to the next 5-minute period and click the Generate Deep Analysis button to get a new prediction. It gave us another down signal, so we leave it as it is and wait for the result. Once again, the result was successful. The terminal correctly predicted that the chart would move down. Now we move on to the next period, click the button to generate a new result, and it shows another down signal. We select it again and wait for the outcome. Unfortunately, this time, the chart suddenly reversed and moved upward. But we're not giving up. We move on to the next period, generate a new result, and wait again. This time, we're hoping for a successful outcome. At this point, the website froze a little, so we had to reload it. As we can see, the result turned out to be successful. So we can conclude that out of 4 trades, the terminal successfully predicted 3 of them. If we calculate the ROI, it comes out to around 60%, which is a very strong result for an application like this. Now we go to polydict.io. Once you connect this extension inside your browser without any extra downloads, you can use your workspace to track Polymarket's daily metrics, as well as monitor the performance of your own trades. I'll leave the link to this software in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next video.